So children, in the last video I have discussed with you about bubble sort, and then we have taken an example for bubble sort. Also I have discussed with you one of the function of bubble sort, in which we have written the code for just the function. Now in this video, what we will be doing, in this video we will be discussing one of the program based on the bubble sort. Now in the program based on the bubble sort, what we need to do, that we need to just take an example of an array, and in that array we will be applying the process. Okay, in the last video I have explained you about the one pass of the array. That means what? We suppose we have to arrange that element, all the elements in the ascending order. Okay, so for only one of the element we have done the whole process, and 72 was placed on the very last index of the array. Over here in this program, we have this array by the name list over here, and we are having different values: 65, 47, 49, 37, 72, 45 and 17. So all these values are there. Now next thing that we have to find over here is the length of the array. And why the length of the array is important? So that we can access all the elements of the array using the index number provided. Okay. Now next what we will be doing? Next we will be taking a for loop, and two for loops are there. The first for loop is for the first element. Okay, that not the first element, like what we are doing over here, that this inner loop will provide you the pass. The number of pass that will occur will sort the element together over here. Now when the very first time loop runs, the value of I is equal to 0 over here, and the condition over here will be 0 less than len minus 1. So len was 8 over here, because the number of elements are 8 over here. So 0 is less than 7. This condition will be true. You will be entering the body of the loop, and you will be having one more loop inside that. And again you will be looking at the condition for j equal to 0. This condition will be 0 less than 8 minus 0 minus 1, that is 0 less than 7. This condition is right. When 0 is less than 7, so this condition will be true over here, and now we will be comparing the value in the if list, where list of that is 0, that is list of 0 is greater than list of 0 plus 1, that is 1. So we are comparing the element of the 0th index with the first element. 0th index element is 65, the other element is 47 on the first index. So when you will compare, yes, 65 is greater than 47. So in this case, this condition will be right and the numbers will be swapped. And when the number will be swapped, 47 will be on this side and 65 will be on this side. Okay. In the similar way, you will be next going to compare the other elements, that is when it is replaced, the 65 will be here, 40 will be here. Again the inner loop will run and it will check for 65 greater than 40. This condition will be again right and again it will be swapped. So now 65 will be over here. Again next value of j, again the values will be compared and again it will be swapped. In the similar way the process will go on until the 65 is placed on the right, on the last index where the 17 is right now written. Okay, so this, when the whole inner loop will run for the very first time, the whole inner loop will run. So after the whole process, the 65 will be placed on the very right of this array elements. Okay, so one element is placed for now with having 65 on the last index. Now when the next time loop will be running, in the next time value of I will be updated over here, and now you are ready to take up the other value for I, and then the same values for j will occur. So see, the inner loop is for the number of passages that you will, and the number of passages that you will go through will place the element in the proper order. So this was the example for the bubble sort, and after the whole process is complete, you will be printing the sorted array elements using this for loop and using the statement list of I, and in this manner it will be printed 9, 17, 37, 40, 45, 47, 65 and 72. So that's it in this video also, and now I will be providing you some practice sheet and you have to solve the questions given in that. Okay, so that's it for today in this video.